everybody, as you know that daily I start 5 minutes or 10 minutes spoken classes because I want that my all students should speak. Today I have given you the topic. आज मैंने फिर से आपको एक topic दिया for the temporary preparation and the topic name is that who serve our parents most. हमारे माता पिता की ज्यादा सेवा कौन करता है, गर्ल्स और बॉय? तो टुडे आई वांट टू चेक दैट हु स्पीक्स which side and who is speaking strongly. So one boy is there. May I know what is your name?
Aditya Gupta.
Mr. Aditya Gupta wants to speak something. What is your opinion? Who serve our parents most?
Boys, because girls cannot spend their whole life with parents, and after married he go.
Very good. Mr. Aditya said that girls not able to serve their parents more because boy throughout the night and till life only boys serve their parents because after marriage girls go to their large house. That's why they have no options. So I would like to ask one girl. May I know what is your name? What's your name, please? Miss Madhu Anand. She wants to tell what is your opinion. Who serve our parents most? Girl or boy? It means daughter or son?
Sir, girl.
Girl. It means she is telling that daughter serve our parents most. May I know, Madhu, how can you say?
Yeah, of course, because all the girl is help for mother, all household, and we are
And cook who?
take care of parents.
Well done. She is telling that girls serve their parents most because girls look after their house and even cook food also. And girl is the better partner for their mother. But in spite of that, some boy, is there any boy who wants to speak some line? Mr. Aditya wants to speak once again. Aditya, what is your opinion? She is telling that girl live 24 hours at house and help mother at her friend and even look after their house, clean the house. What is your opinion?
Boys take care of parents because he doing jobs for parents. He is better life.
Very good, very good, very good. You must have seen Aditya counter attack is going on. He is also telling that boys also helping to their parents. Even they are doing their business also. So is there any girl wants to tell two lines? One girl is there. I think that she can perform better. What is your name, please? Falak. What is your name, please?
My name is Falak.
Falak. She wants to. What is your opinion, Falak? What do you want to say? That who serve our parents most? Girls or boys? हमारे माता पिता की ज़्यादा सेवा कौन करते हैं? लड़के या लड़कियाँ?
Girls.
She is telling girls serving their parents most. So may I know how can you speak? How the girls serve their parents most? What the girl do? लड़कियां क्या करती हैं कि आपको लगता है कि गर्ल ज़्यादा सर्व करती हैं? Anything? Girls what do?
This is not correct because the girls are also doing job.
Oh, actually, her mean is that girls are also doing job. Actually, Mr. Aditya told that boys are earning money outside, even they are paying money to the parent. But Falak is saying that not only boy, even girls are also doing job. One more girl is there. May I know what's your name? Parul, what is your opinion? Who serve their parents more, girl or boy?
Girls.
Okay, she is also telling girls. If all girls are inside of that girls serving their parents, how can you say? Can you tell Parul?
Because girls is not go.
Here and there, as a loafergiri. Okay, this is telling that boys are doing loafergiri and girls are giving 24 hours time to their parents more. One more intelligent personality there. May I know what's your name, please, intelligent boy?
Arnav.
Mr. Arnav. What is your opinion? That girls boys serve their parents more. He is saying directly boys serve their parents more. May I know how?
Because sir, even at childhood, boys take all the groceries and those to make food or whatever. They take from the market and give it to.
Very
their
good,
parents.
very good. It is as clear as crystal that he said clearly that boy bring grocery product like a flour, अगर बाजार से आटा लाना, if they have to bring the vegetable, then only boys are ready. I mean 24 hours he is ready. Or girls are not ready because of society that they are not able to go at night. That's why he is telling that since childhood boy bring. But in spite of that, I should not directly say. What is your name, please? Okay, Miss Damini, what is your opinion? Who serve our parents most? माता पिता की ज़्यादा सेवा कौन करता है?
Girls.
She is telling girls serve our parents most. May I know how can you speak?
Sir, he said that all grocery are taken by
Boys.
boys. Lekin this is not compulsory that girls also bring groceries, vegetable from market.
Brilliant, brilliant. Is there any more point you want to add? Okay, that doesn't matter. I want that if you want to speak once again, we will give a chance. Please sit down. So one of the intelligent girls, she just quite tell what you are in Domini. She said it is 100% wrong. Only boys are not bringing the grocery. Even girls are also going whenever she goes to a school and coaching center. She brings the grocery product from there. Is there any more boy? Aditya wants to. Okay, Aditya, I'm very impressed that you are continuous speaking.
Girls can job in the mind of girls. Boys can jobs. It is necessary.
In the boy job, actually telling that girls are okay. Actually, whatever you have told, you know that time and tide faithfulness, समय और ज्वार भाटा किसी की इंतजार नहीं करती और समय was time was given only 5 minutes to choose. I have listened the opinion of boy, I have listened the opinion of girl. Still, I am not to decide about that who serve our parent according to condition. The situation is there. If boys are very concentrated, dedicated to their parents, then can say that boys are serving their parents more. If girls are concentrated or dedicated to their parents, then we can say that girls are serving. According to condition, both are serving their parents. Thank you so much, and I have given you conclusion also. The topic will be continue creating daily. Okay. Wish you all the best. Have a good night, students. Bye everybody.